I'm so scared. Tina. Oh my God, Tina. My hair. Ooh, I even feel the razor. Oh, I'm supposed to save my hair too. Yeah, yeah. Y'all see my hair? It's all gone. It's over with. Hey, girl. Look. Oh, yeah, it's over with. My hair. Then, oh, it's over with. Hey, Monty, I'm doing it, Monty. I'm doing it. Look, Monty, it's gone. Oh, this is a lot of hair, Tina. Y'all see all my hair? Monty, I'm bald. Look, Tiffany, it is time for the summer. It, yes. It's too, y'all see all this hair? Do y'all see my hair? It's gone. Y'all see this? It's all gone. I can't say stop now. It's gonna be half cut and half. Y'all, it's all gone. Look, y'all, all my hair is gone. It's gone. It's over with. Y'all, I'm gonna say this because I don't know how long it's gonna take to get this hair back. I know, Angel, but how long? You know how long it takes to grow hair? Years. Oh, thank you, girl. Girl, I just used a little whitening, girl. She's like, girl, your teeth look good. Yes, and I got Tina doing it. Yes. So come and get y'all hairstyle by Tina. Book on Booski. Ain't it called Booski? Oh, yes. They like, oh my God. I know y'all, right? It's over with. It's over. No, this is a lot of hair, y'all. It's all over with. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. I know, right? Lanisha, it's over with. Yes, Joanne. All of it is gone. It's gone. I got so sick of trying to figure out what to do, putting braids in it, weaves in it. I'm so tired of that. So now we're gonna see how this gonna work. So y'all say bye bye to I just hope so. Yeah, thank you. Change is good. Yes, Lanisha, you know I'm a rocket, right? Girl, yes. Yes. So it's all gone. But I'm taking this home because I'm gonna look at this every day on how much hair I had. It took me a long time to get on a hair journey. Okay. Why? Cut it, Sylvia. You know what? You just gotta get up and just go do it. And that's what I did today. I committed myself to this and I said I'm cutting it off. It's time for a new change. I had to do a wait to exhale. If Tina wasn't gonna cut it, I was gonna cut it. Thank you, Angie. So I'm gonna make sure I show you guys the Paris is not just hair. You know how long it takes for us to grow our hair? I'm Paris, I'm gonna really be looking like my mom. You cut yours summer? Do you like it? Oh, you said it feels so, don't it? I bet. I know, right? So yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna bag this up. I'm gonna date this hair. And I didn't want to do this in front of Party because she would have went home and did the same thing. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Now I might want to stop.
That's why she said, you get your hair cut? No. Thank you, Paris. I'm at Sylvia. Her name is Tina. She's located in Brooklyn Center. You can book online. I can inbox you the information. But yes, don't be scared. Just do it. Just do it. I just did it. And yeah, y'all.
I can catch a vibe. Come on, girl. You coming through.
Yes.
I see the energy.
Yes. Yeah, can y'all see the vision? Selena, yes, I'm really doing it. It's pretty much over with. It's pretty much over with. Oh, thank you. I know, Paris. It's over with. I said we can start kind of long and then yeah, and then ease our way up.
Trying to go straight short.
Y'all see this short? Mm, I'm going short. I think Tina enjoying this. Tina, you enjoying
I
this?
love doing hair. I do it with a smile.
Yeah. Ooh, she cutting all off. Like she didn't even let me embrace or nothing. She just went in. You ready? Okay.
Ain't no change, no line. We in here.
Yes. Yes. Summer. Girl. I've been waiting to do this. And my mom used to be like, I don't see how you do all that long hair. I was like, I don't see how you do short hair. And look, years later, I'm doing short hair because I can't do long hair anymore. Just like I can't do long nails anymore. I think it's with our age, things change. I'm sick of hair. Huh? What'd you say, Tina?
I said it's true.
My little poor, and it
I'm
was just
finna cut my
so,
hair too.
and my hair it's so nice.
I want to feel free.
I know, I want to feel free
I'm
too.
tired of weed, to be honest.
Oh, you did some figure waves. Oh yeah, that's real short. I don't want to go too short, but short. I'm ready. So I'm gonna have to come back and show you guys the end results and post some pictures so you can see how it all turned out after I get these. Ooh, oh my God, y'all! I can't even put this in a ponytail.
Not at all.
Yes, that is so true. Janissa, look, girl, look, I'm telling everybody, cut it off, cut it off.
Real service.
Yes, I know, Selena. I can't wait either. She said she can't wait to see the end results.
Hey, coming.
Yes, I'm coming. Oh, y'all, it's over with. So we'll see. So I'm gonna come and show you guys. Ooh, it's just falling. Yes, Janet, Sylvia. I told you this was all my hair cut off. I told you I got to take this home. I forgot to bring my bag. Yes, it will be more manageable than long. Sylvia said, "You so brave."
She is. Gemini power. Come on. You
I've
know,
been waiting to do this.
y'all know Monica go for a type of girl. She
Yes,
let go and go.
I sure do. If I want something, y'all know I'm gonna go do it.
Goal setter.
I'm going to do it. So I've been waiting on this. Yes. So I know, Ray, right? I'm ready. Well, it's too late not to be ready. It's over with. It's gonna take some years for it to come back. But my little head, yeah, I didn't. Oh man, Tina, it's over with.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
My hair was so pretty.
It still is.
Just short.
Yes. Now you
Yes,
can get it
Lindsay,
fixed.
I did it. And I've been talking about this for a couple. No, I started off with wearing a short wig, and it was really cute, and I loved how I could
Yes.
just slap
You
it
wore
on.
it
I
forever.
did. I wore it until the track star pull it up from the wig. Then I bought the same wig again, and Tina wasn't available to cut it for me, so I cut it myself and jacked it up. So it's still sitting at home, brand new, jacked up. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go cut my own hair, so I don't have to worry about this. Janet, I'm gonna slap a wig back on. No, I'm not, Janet. I ain't slapping a wig back on. You gonna okay, Janet? You gonna see? You're gonna see. So you guys stay tuned for when I come back, and I'll show you guys the end result of the haircut. Now, Tina, you know this is gonna make a break, right, Tina?
I'm a Gemini too.
That's why we get along very well.
Energy,
Yes, come
energy.
through. Okay, bye, y'all.